All right, good evening. I'm here with Corey Wilson. We're talking about AI for operational optimization. We've covered a lot of valuable information, but Corey, what are the three things people should take away from what we discussed tonight?
Okay, so the first thing I would say is that AI is not here to replace us, it's here to empower and enhance us. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that you should utilize professionals that are using AI today to help invest into your business, into your people. You're going to need that for growth. And again, they help give you a shortcut to professional growth in your business. And the final thing I would say is to, as a CEO, ask AI questions to make you more efficient and effective as a CEO. So I think those would be the three things, the three takeaways I would have for this conversation today.